This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with a prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut, then disconnect the negative battery cable from the terminal. Secure the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Loosen the right front wheel lug nuts, then jack up the front of the car and support it on jack stands. Remove the right front wheel. Using a wrench, rotate the drive belt tensioner bolt clockwise to release the tension of the drive belt. Hold the tensioner in this position, then slip the belt off the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the drive belt from the fender well, noting how the belt is routed among the various pulleys to ensure correct installation of the belt. Peel back the protective cover, then loosen and remove the nut retaining the battery positive cable from the alternator. Disconnect the alternator electrical connector, then lift the connector and battery cable off of the alternator. Remove the alternator wiring harness bracket bolt, then position the wiring harness aside. Remove the alternator upper and lower mounting bolts, sliding the lower mounting bolt as far out as possible. If the alternator still cannot be slid free of the lower mounting bolt, the lower fuse box mounting bolts will need to be accessed and removed. Reposition the fuse box as necessary to allow the alternator lower mounting bolt to be removed. Remove the alternator from the mounting bracket. Install the alternator into the mounting bracket and thread in the upper mounting bolt. Install the lower mounting bolt. Tighten the alternator mounting bolts securely. Install the fuse box assembly mounting bolts. Tighten the bolts securely. Install the necessary remaining fuse box components. Install the alternator wiring harness bracket onto the alternator. Tighten the bracket bolt securely. Connect the battery positive cable onto the alternator terminal. Screw on the cable nut and tighten it securely. Secure the protective cover over the nut. Connect the alternator electrical connector. Install the drive belt, loosely routing it over the various pulleys in the correct order, as noted before removal. Rotate the drive belt tensioner and slip the belt onto the tensioner pulley. Slowly release the tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Inspect the belt at each pulley and make sure that the belt is fitted evenly into all of the pulley grooves. Install the front wheel and lug nuts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Connect the negative battery cable to the terminal and tighten the cable clamp nut securely.